Modern wooden beds and accessories have become increasingly popular in home decor, offering a blend of style, comfort, and practicality that enhances living spaces. The appeal of wooden furniture, particularly in the bedroom, lies in its timeless quality and the warmth it brings to a home. Embracing modern wooden beds and accessories provides numerous benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics, contributing to overall well-being and functionality. One of the primary advantages of modern wooden beds is their durability. Wood is a robust material that can withstand years of use, making it an excellent choice for furniture that is subjected to daily wear and tear. High-quality wooden beds are designed to last, offering a solid foundation for restful sleep. Unlike metal or particle board alternatives, which may warp or bend over time, solid wood maintains its integrity, ensuring that the bed remains stable and supportive. This durability translates into a long-term investment, reducing the need for frequent replacements and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern wooden bed and accessories to revamp your bedroom. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to their longevity, modern wooden beds offer a sense of aesthetic appeal that enhances the overall decor of a bedroom. The natural beauty of wood, with its unique grain patterns and textures, adds warmth and character to any space. Wooden beds can seamlessly integrate into various design styles, from minimalist and contemporary to rustic and traditional. This versatility allows homeowners to select pieces that align with their personal tastes while complementing the existing decor. The presence of a wooden bed can serve as a focal point, drawing attention and creating a welcoming atmosphere that invites relaxation and comfort. The design of modern wooden beds often prioritizes functionality, incorporating features that enhance usability. Many contemporary designs include built-in storage options, such as drawers or underbed compartments, providing practical solutions for organizing belongings. This added functionality is especially valuable in smaller spaces, where maximizing storage is essential. By offering a place to stow away bedding, clothing, or personal items, wooden beds contribute to a more organized and clutter-free environment. This emphasis on practicality makes modern wooden beds not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. Furthermore, the aesthetic appeal of wooden beds is complemented by a range of accessories that can enhance the overall bedroom experience. From wooden headboards to bedside tables and dressers, these accessories can create a cohesive look that ties the room together. Accessories crafted from wood often feature similar design elements, ensuring that the entire bedroom feels harmonious and thoughtfully curated. This attention to detail and design can elevate the ambience of the space, creating a serene retreat that promotes relaxation and restfulness. The connection between wood and nature is another significant benefit of incorporating modern wooden beds and accessories into home decor. Wood is a natural material that evokes a sense of tranquility and grounding, making it an ideal choice for creating calming environments. Many people find that wooden elements in their homes foster a deeper connection to nature, promoting feelings of peace and well-being. This connection to the natural world can be particularly beneficial in a bedroom setting, where the goal is to create a restful space conducive to sleep and relaxation. Moreover, wooden beds and accessories can have a positive impact on indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials, which can emit volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that negatively affect air quality, natural wood is generally free from harmful chemicals. This quality makes wooden furniture a healthier choice for living spaces, particularly in the bedroom, where individuals spend a significant amount of time. Homeowners can feel confident that their wooden beds and accessories contribute to a healthier living environment, promoting overall well-being. The personalization and customization options available with modern wooden beds further enhance their appeal. Many manufacturers offer customizable designs, allowing individuals to select finishes, colors, and styles that reflect their unique preferences. This level of personalization fosters a sense of ownership and pride in one's space, creating a bedroom that feels truly individualized. The ability to choose a design that resonates with personal aesthetics adds to the overall enjoyment of the space, making it a sanctuary that reflects the homeowner's tastes and lifestyle. The tactile experience of wooden beds and accessories also plays a crucial role in their appeal. The warmth and texture of wood create an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and comfort. Homeowners often find that the feel of a wooden bed complements the cozy environment they wish to cultivate in their bedrooms. This sensory engagement can enhance the overall experience of being in the space, making it feel more welcoming and conducive to rest. Additionally, modern wooden beds and accessories can promote better sleep hygiene. The sturdy construction of wooden beds provides a stable foundation for mattresses, ensuring optimal support for restful sleep. Many wooden bed designs are crafted to accommodate various mattress types, allowing homeowners to choose the best option for their comfort needs. This attention to support and stability contributes to improved sleep quality, which is essential for overall health and well-being. By selecting a well-designed wooden bed, individuals can create a sleep environment that fosters relaxation and rejuvenation. The aesthetic versatility of wooden beds and accessories allows for easy updates and changes in decor over time. As design trends evolve or personal preferences shift, wooden pieces can be adapted or repurposed to fit new styles. A wooden bed can be painted, stained, or accessorized with different bedding and decor items, offering a fresh look without the need for significant investment. This adaptability makes wooden furniture a long-lasting solution that can evolve alongside the homeowner's tastes, ensuring that the bedroom remains a dynamic and inviting space. Incorporating modern wooden beds and accessories can also encourage a sense of mindfulness and intentionality in one's living environment. The act of selecting and arranging furniture in a thoughtful manner fosters a deeper connection to the space. Homeowners are often more aware of their surroundings when they invest in quality pieces that resonate with their values and aesthetics. This mindfulness can lead to a more satisfying living experience, as individuals cultivate a home that reflects their priorities and enhances their daily lives. Moreover, the craftsmanship associated with modern wooden beds is often a reflection of skilled artistry and attention to detail. Many wooden pieces are handcrafted by artisans who take pride in their work, ensuring that each item is made with care and precision. This commitment to quality not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the furniture, but also contributes to a sense of authenticity and character. Homeowners can appreciate the artistry behind their wooden beds and accessories, fostering a deeper connection to the items in their space. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked modern wooden bed and accessories to revamp your bedroom. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.